Last week, the Bank of England voted to slash its short-term rate of interest from 0.5% to 0.25%. That much the market had expected following the Brexit vote after the central bank warned about its projected impact on growth and inflation prospects. As the vote to leave the EU played out, the pound bore the brunt of the shock, declining by almost 13% against the dollar and at least 10% against the euro currency. But the central bank's Monetary Policy Committee decided to increase its asset purchases for both government gilts and corporate bonds. Moreover, it plainly stated that if things had not improved by the end of this year, investors should expect a further reduction in interest rates and an extension of its asset grab. The magnitude of these and other actions, along with an explicit warning over further easing, sent the pound on another leg lower, though the British currency has not declined much below 130. However, if we look at the term structure of Britain's 3-month LIBOR, the impact on forward expectations is apparent. Notice that the forward curve is flat through the next 4 years. If we add 2 more lines to show the term structure of the yield curve on the day of the Brexit vote, and the structure of the curve at the start of this year, the shift in the market's rate expectations is illuminated. At the start of the year, the futures market projected 2 interest rate increases by the end of 2016, while rates were forecast to rise to 1.5% by the end of next year. And even before the Brexit vote, the market was steadily depicting rising monetary policy. If we switch to the euro-dollar yield curve of 3 months US rates, we can see the steady trajectory of rising rates predicted by the market to be delivered by the Federal Reserve. The yield difference between the British pound and the US dollar has opened up tremendously since the start of the year. For example, the yield spread has widened by over 40 basis points in favour of the dollar at the December 2019 maturity since the start of this year. For more market colour, join us online at ibkr.com/ti.